Julian here, and as you see, you could hear the fire alarm just went out. A fire alarm just went off. It's like crazy out. I'm gonna cover the camera because I do not want anybody to see. And just so you know, Technical Point, I'm doing this video for you because I know you like fire alarms, so yeah.
The land animal is deer. Well, if you said deer, that's too cute. Like, you don't want to kill it. It's cute. It's tiny. They're like tiny little puppies. Like during the weekend, I saw like a bunch of deer. Yeah, I'm like, what the heck? One time, me and my brother were going to the driveway, and a buck was just about this close to the car and jumped. Oh my gosh. Right in front of it. You guys didn't hit him?
Well, guys, that was a fire alarm at school. So,
would you look at that?
Yeah. Hope you like this. That was really weird and unexpected.
Don't, no. Stay over there. Stay over there.
I don't want to get the people's faces shown. There's the high school with the Tissendover elevator. Has a Tissendover elevator at that high school. Sorry, I'm filming the grass. Oh, I'm just doing a little video of the fire alarm because I have a friend that loves fire alarms. So, and I don't know why, but he likes them. So, yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, that was weird. So guys, I hope you like this video, and as always, peace.